Hi everyone, Yelrigu Namaskara. This is a very special series for us at Travel Mart because we are introducing our real special guest. Those who have traveled with us for journeys and for years together with Travel Mart, and they are here to share their special moments, their experiences, and those special journeys with us. So today we have someone very special. Someone who has traveled with us 3 generations ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ, then their generation and their kids have been traveling with Travel Mart ever since 2008 onwards. Pallavi Santosh with us. Let's welcome. Namaste ma'am. Hello, welcome to
Namaste.
today's conversation.
Hi, happy morning.
How are you?
Thank you for the invite. I'm very good.
Pleasure having you here. So just a small introduction about you. What do you do? And
Yeah, I'm a housewife. I help my husband into business.
Okay.
We are into disposable items and plastic covers. So, firstly, I was introduced to Travel Mart by my sister and my Jiju.
Okay.
So, they got to know about Travel Mart and Sundar sir. So, that's how we started our family trips with them. Since when my daughter was 3.5, we started
Wow.
our first trip with them.
Okay, that's about like 15 years.
Yeah, 18 years.
18
From
years
the
ago.
day they are there. And we have
Amazing.
been traveling with them.
Superb. So approximately how many trips have you taken with Travel Mart today?
Yeah, we have been more than 30 plus.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Okay, so before we actually get into where all you have traveled, what all you have done, I just want to understand, what does traveling mean to you?
Yeah, basically, we love to travel. I and my husband, we have decided to travel the world. We are both passionate about it. We like to explore, we like their culture, food, whatever it is, the architecture, everything. We have been to all kinds of
So you love to
places.
explore a lot of new things.
Yes.
So how many countries have you traveled?
Yeah, more than 40 plus.
Wow, that's amazing. So, when you've traveled more than 40 countries, if I have to suddenly ask you, like, what is that one country that stays with you in your heart, like, always?
Yeah, that is like Finland. We are amazed by the nature, the northern lights. We were like, too good. It was a good experience, great timing. The Sundar sir suggested the actual proper season for it, and so we got to see the all colors of northern lights.
Okay.
It was very beautiful. So it was great seeing
Amazing.
that.
So, you just said you took your first trip when your daughter was 3 at Travel Mart. That's about 18 years ago.
Yes.
So, which was that trip and where was it to?
We had been to Hong Kong and China.
Okay.
That was very nice, and she was very tiny and little girl. But somehow they Travel Mart planned the entire trip so well. As I had a kid, and my dad is a pure Jain vegetarian.
Yes.
Food.
That's
He
a fear a lot
prefers-
of
yeah.
them carry.
And even though in Hong Kong, China, that kind of place also, they made sure, Travel Mart made sure we get proper Indian food without onion and garlic. That was really great of them. We got to feel like it was like home.
Yes.
So it
So
was very
I think Travel Mart as us, we are known for this factor that we make you feel very safe wherever you go. You are
Very-
heard, you are seen, and you are, we're there for you
Yes.
wherever you are across the world, right? And also, out of curiosity, because a lot of them would be watching this, there's an aspect that Indian parents think, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ
Correct.
ಜೊತೆ ಅಂತ. But I have been a traveler with my daughter ever since she was born, and I can
Yes.
resonate with what you're saying. So, what do you say that why should you take your child early? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ what is the advantage?
Yeah, that's a good way of giving them exposure. They will learn to know the different way of cultures, different way of food. They won't be stick to like one pattern. I
Yeah,
can say
correct.
that. So they get to see different kinds of lifestyles, different kinds of experiences.
Amazing.
Different way.
So you spoke about your first trip. What was your latest trip? The recent one, which
We had been to Japan.
okay.
I'm still not out of it. It's been
When
a
was
month.
when was it? When was
It's
Japan?
been a month. Like May we had been.
Okay.
And still I'm not out of it. It was also amazing place, amazing food. The culture is like too good.
Okay.
So it's like we got to experience all kinds there also. The people around there are very obliged, very helpful, friendly. It was a great experience. Shopping wise, like viewing the Mount Fuji. We were very lucky to see all the 3 days we got to view Mount Fuji. So it was
That's really nice.
happy.
So when you traveled so much, so how do you pick the next destination?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. Next, if at all I'm planning for a spiritual trip, I was expecting Sundar sir to start planning for Manas Sarovara for us
Wow.
for next year. And if at all to explore and know the culture and all, I would like to go for Korea,
Wow, amazing.
which they've been doing already.
Yes. So what's on your bucket list already that is still to be done?
Yeah, these two places right now.
Is on your
Yeah,
bucket list,
yeah,
Manas
it's
Sarovara and
and
South Korea. Okay, so you told about Finland and Japan. So if I have to talk to you about the top 5 trips that you can never forget.
Tanzania, one of it.
Yes.
Australia, New Zealand, Russia, Spain, Greece,
Okay.
everything. Tanzania, it was like too good. The game drives were like amazing.
Amazing. So, so with your experience, you said you've traveled with your parents. So, if you have to travel with your parents, if anybody has to travel with their parents, so having traveled so many countries, which countries do you really think could be a great pick to take your parents?
Yeah, simple and good enough. Singapore is the best.
Okay.
As always. Again, Spain and Russia is also I recommend.
Okay.
If at all you need a relaxing trip, Greece is always the best place.
Beautiful. Okay, so now in this 18 years of journey, one time or one moment that you felt Travel Mart was the best choice that you made. If there's any incident that you felt, okay, this is the time that, okay, ಇದು Travel Mart ಇಂದಾನೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು moment ಅಲ್ಲಿ this was the best thing that I made, decision otherwise. If there's any moment that you can recall.
Yeah, always. If at all, once in a while we have planned to customize ourselves also. That time I have always felt I have missed the Travel Mart. I should have gone with the help of them only.
Okay.
But I've always chosen them only.
Huh?
But once when we have missed out in some visa problem in the airport, even on the midnight, like it was 2 a.m., one call for Sundar sir and Shruti, they were there. Immediately, my husband and my friend, we were traveling together, two couples. We told them we are not getting back home from here since the visa, we had a problem with it. So he immediately checked for flights. He sent us to Mumbai. From one day we stayed there and we roam around, and we again from there he sent us to Mauritius. 3 days we did that trip. Then we got back to Mumbai. Then we went to Greece. Then we did our actual trip.
Oh my God. Okay.
So it was amazing. Any point of time, any from any part of the world, one message or one call, they were always there. Travel Mart.
Right.
So that was like good, helpful, and very amazing about it.
That's really, really nice. In any, okay, apart from Travel Mart, as a family, if you have to remember any travel memory that you want to share with us that has stayed with you like a memory of a lifetime.
Yeah, I had a 40th birthday in Ibiza with my family.
Okay.
That was amazing. And 20th anniversary I celebrated in Philippines, and they made sure in every part of Ireland, every hotel, the day was special. As we entered, there was a cake. They celebrated our anniversary.
Totally.
The whole week we celebrated our anniversary. That was amazing.
Beautiful.
And in Tanzania, the there also we had been for my birthday itself. We had that African dance and birthday celebration. That was also amazing. That was also arranged by my friend, and she coordinated with Sundar sir, Shruti, and all. And we got to celebrate
Great.
there. That was nice.
So Palmi, ma'am, if I have to ask you, like as a regular traveler, what are the must know things, or probably these are the things that is non-negotiable for you when it comes to travel? Like these should be there. I mean, when I'm planning a
Yeah.
holiday, these are the things that I don't want to go without. Okay, maybe it could be visa checklist things, it could be my flights. What are the things that you genuinely look for?
Yeah, basically, I leave everything to Travel Mart. I just say I need to go to such destination, and I just tell them the dates, this many days I have, so that you can plan for me. They will look after everything, my insurance, my tickets, my hotel bookings,
Absolutely.
accommodation, like from airport pickup and drop. So visa, everything will be done by them. Till date, I haven't personally done
Got into that.
anything.
So you
Yeah.
you
I'm
didn't have to
totally-
break your head for all of
Yes,
this because
yes.
of Travel Mart.
Yes.
That's really nice
Mhm.
because this is coming so naturally. That's what makes us feel very happy here,
Yes.
because we don't have to force to ask you anything, because when I'm talking to
Yeah.
you, the whole feeling is so natural, and that is the kind of experience that has been delivered, or maybe you have
Yeah.
had
Very
over the
much.
last 18 years.
True.
So is there anything that you want to share it with the audience?
Yes, the life is very colorful with memories. Memories is created by Travel Mart. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Pallavi Santosh.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us. It was amazing having this conversation. And to be very honest, such conversations gives us a lot of, it is another accreditation, or probably a push to what we are already doing.
Yes.
And thank you for the trust, and keep traveling,
Yes.
and keep encouraging younger ones also to travel a lot.
Sure.
I think your daughter or your children also might be, inspired with
Yeah.
you, and they might have also started traveling a lot, right?
Yes, yes, very
So
much.
thanks you so much for joining us. It was pleasure talking
Yeah.
to you.
Thank you. Thank you for the invite.
So that's another beautiful episode with Mrs. Pallavi Santosh, who's been our regular traveler and been traveling with us for the last 18 years, who's traveled more than 40 countries. So we'll bring to you more such interesting episodes who will tell you the real travel stories with Travel Mart. Stay tuned. I will see you with the next episode.